swamp music here. I done rolled it, smashed this, broke this, smashed this all in. We pulled this out, but we got to get her in the shop and start working on it. All right, so we got the door shut. We got the turbo heater Master Pro on. We got the wood burning stove over here. We're gonna fill her up, get rolling in here. We got the Just Bogging truck hit here, tore apart. He blew the spider gears apart in her. So he got that all replaced. Put a locker in there. So gonna get this truck put back together. Gonna work on swamp music here. We got a lot to do with this one. We gotta flip the hubs out on the rear, get this wider stance that we have here in the front. I gotta do brakes. I gotta change the axles. Not change the axle, change the axle fluids. Do drop box. Gotta put a collector on here. Got a few things to do. But yeah, we'll get the fire started, and once David gets out here, we'll resume working on this truck.
All right, we're recording.
Check it out. Whoa! Being recorded now.
Damn. I always see these things on the back of like Harleys and jet skis and
yeah?
yeah, they're all
used.
yeah, this is a 360?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see these everywhere.
It's cool. That's it.
Yeah.
Fucking yeah. It's good for a header bolt. Try to get this cut off.
And you still didn't get that off?
Use a saw.
Yo, why didn't you use the sawzall?
It's a half bad idea.
Give me a sawzall then.
What? What have you been using? You're cutting it with a hammer? You gotta tell us what we're doing, dude.
That's what we're doing. Is it even looking at me?
What are we doing?
I don't know yet. Taking tires off. That's what we're doing.
No, you never answered me when I told you I bought a blower motor.
I can't.
Well, that's just to say that's really cool.
It is really cool.
You knew that I knew it was cool.
It's gonna be hot as hell in here.
You knew that
That's gonna be cool.
you knew I thought it was cool.
It doesn't matter right now.
All right, so we got the YJ done. It's on 35s. We got the mega truck done. My mega truck's done. All the waterproofing. This thing got a spray job and some wheels, and we
New frame.
new frame here. Looks good. Should be fun trip tomorrow. Zip tied up sway bar, so you don't need them. Looks good.
Well, it's 2026. Apparently it's snowed last night. Brady truck's gonna be pissed starting up. Hopefully it doesn't shear off the rest of the flywheel teeth this morning. Feels like 12 out here, it says. But my truck should start up just fine. Got the war pig. Just gotta put some methanol on that thing. Be ready to go. Nice and warm in here. Guess it's gonna be a snow bog today. Definitely gonna be breaking some ice. And probably a lot of axles. I don't know where Brady's at. We thought he's the one that was drinking until 3 a.m. Oh, this thing got a lot bigger last night. Oh. This is gonna be my first start on this since I did the rear main and oil pan gasket, so hopefully it's good. Sorry to all my hungover neighbors. Still trying to sleep. We gotta do some mud bogging though. Look who decided to show up. About time.
Ready to go snow wheeling?
My truck started just fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a nice 65 degrees in there.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Ready, Dave?
Yep.
Where are we headed? Go blow my truck up.
You see it back there?
Get the war pig over there too. That's the most important one. That's where we're gonna have all the fun.
That thing's gonna be towing your truck back today. We got a slow window today.
Yeah, wide turns around here. it, Dave.
Hey, bye-bye.
How the fuck are you gonna get that out of here?
It looks really cool. You all right, dude? Yo, you got this thing turned up?
Huh?
Is that turned up?
All the way.
No way, dude.
It's a non-intercooled.
Oh, non-intercooled.
Or I mean, no, it's intercooled. They're not as spicy.
$1 action right here. Yeah, I held together though. It looks like I just got popped up.
That was a hard hit.
Yeah, it was.
Hard hit.
No, you ain't gonna first.
No, he's leaving right now? Wow.
Dude. Well,
If it didn't throw you to the side right there, you have it.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that was about.
Not today, baby.
oh my God, this is risky biz. Dude, this is cool. Oh my God. This, you gotta think like a feather. Dude, this is crazy.
I ain't going over there.
You're gonna have to hook up a winch to me.
Okay.
This is insane. I mean, it's definitely up on the ground. Roll it. Is it out? That's cool. You have to roll behind it. Yeah, that was it. You tell me. I am hard. How are you going to Nope. Let's shoot on him. Yeah, it's fine. You don't need anything. Yeah. What is this? Oh my God. Here, you get. I'll take that. All right.
Hit him! Hit him!
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it on your logical, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste.
truck coming out.
Alright, well, we got the trucks unloaded. It's a couple days later. It's like 50 degrees out. I'd say all in all, we had a pretty good day. Probably got a tenth of what actually happened on the camera. But it's our first time doing this, so we'll get better. Between me, Brady, and Cody, we'll try a little bit harder to get more camera angles and actually focus on taking videos of anything, because once you start drinking and having fun, it's hard to focus on anything like that, but we'll get better at it. These things will they'll do a lot on this channel, I'm sure. I've been determined to get my truck to do wheelies for years now, since I started building it, so we'll definitely get to be doing that pretty soon. We're doing a lot more fabrication and more projects that I do. I'm not a good fabricator or fabricator at all. I'm just a guy with a welder, so you can watch it or make fun of me, I don't really care. This thing wheeled all day. Still gotta check the oil and see if it's full of methanol after sitting on its side for an hour, and get this thing washed up today. Probably the only day I'm gonna have for a little bit. It's gonna get cold again. Other than that rear axle being broken, I did see a pretty nasty oil leak coming from this side of the motor. From under there. Maybe I did the rear main wrong, who knows. Could just be over full of methanol. Guess I'll find out, but I gotta get this thing washed up so I can get it pulled into the garage. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I think you're supposed to hit the subscribe button. It helps me out eventually, I think, but thanks.